Hello guys, this is our third destinations, the Skywalk. The Zabin Skywalk, located here in Calbar again. So this is a natural, besides the nature window, no? So sa gilid ng nature window, so ang lalim guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Grabe, sobrang lalim. Oh? Wow! Diba guys? So I don't know how many feet this one. From here going up there. So napakalalim.
Idol, time. Pwede ba picture, Idol?
Yes, of course, mate.
Idol, picture kami, Idol.
How are you, mate? So ito ba yung mga kasama ko guys? Ito yung
Pa-picture, Idol.
pogi. Mga
Pa-picture,
pogi dalawang
Idol.
pogi ito.
Pa-picture.
SZ.
Pa-picture.
So, ito guys, nature to guys. Natural talaga ito. Hindi ito. Walang halot. Ano siya? Mining, wala. So, guys. So, ito yun guys. Z-bend. Parang Z yung ano niya. Diba? Hindi. See you guys.